Hello, my dear serious students. Good morning to you all. I am your favorite Durga Shankar sir. Today we are here to discuss on the balance of chemical equation, any kind of chemical equation. Let it be any difficult type of chemical equation, with the help of linear equation with multiple variables. Okay, and it is a sure shot one trial method of balancing a chemical equation. There is a classical method, well known, popular, available in almost all the books. Method is hit and trial method. बट बच्चों ने पूछते हैं कि सर साइंस में हिट एंड ट्रायल मीन्स तुक्का मारने का, तुक्का मार के साइंस में काम करने का. सो आई took that matter is very seriously, and I propose a method, algebraic method. Why can't we use algebra, the knowledge of algebra, very simple linear equation knowledge. So let us start balancing a chemical equation with the help of linear equation of multiple variables. Let us take one very simple equation. N2 plus H2 gives NH3. Very simple. Now, suppose the coefficient after balancing, the coefficient of N2 is A, B, C. Okay. Now here how many elements are there? Two elements are there. So we have to make equation of N, equation of H. Two elements, nitrogen and hydrogen. So we have to make the equation of two elements, N and H. Now here 2 into A means 2A is equal to, after balancing, number of N will be equal to number of N both sides, number of H will be equal to number of H both sides. So it will be 2A is equal to C. Understood? And in case of H, it will be 2B is equal to C into 3, 3C. Okay, now we have to solve this, solve for A and B. Okay, now here you can see variable are three variables and two equations. We know to solve the variables, we have to have the equal number of variables and equation. But here variable 3, equation 2. So we consider one variable as 1. One variable as 1. Suppose I take A is equal to 1. If you consider C is equal to 1, no problem. B is equal to 1, no problem. Just for the beginning, I take A is equal to 1. If A is equal to 1, then 2 into 1 equal to C. That means C is equal to 2. Clear better? A is equal to 1, then C is equal to 2. Now put the value here and we can find out the value of B. Now 2B is equal to 3 into C value is 2, so 2. So B is equal to 3. Now we have got the value of A, B and C. Now put the value ABC in place of ABC. So what will come? A is 1, so nothing. N2 plus B is 3, so 3H2 gives C is 2, so 2NH3. See? N2, H6, balanced. Sure shot, one trial method. Using the algebra. Now let us take little complicated equation. little complicated equation, I have collected different kind of problems so that you may face different difficulties, and almost I have tried to cover all the difficulties in balancing the equation NO plus H2O. Now here, first of all, we take the coefficient as A, B, C, D. Okay? E, F, G, H, how, whatever may be the number comes, that we keep writing. Now, you see here, how many are the elements in HO? 3 elements. So we have to make 3 equations. We have to make equation for N, equation for H, equation for O. Now we are making equation of N here this side, left hand side A is equal to right hand side C. A is equal to C. Equation for H, 3A, 3 into A, 3A is equal to 3A is equal to 2D. 3A is equal to 2D. Now equation for O, left side 2B, and here right side C plus D. C plus D. So I told you little complication. Here O is in both the 2 sides. So we have to consider both the C and D. Okay, here again variable is 4, equation is 3. So still we start A is equal to 1. So C also will be equal to 1. तो 2 वैल्यू मिल गया हमें A और C का. अच्छा, अभी यहाँ पुट करते हैं. A is equal to 1. So 3 into 1 is equal to 2D. That means D is equal to 3 upon 2. Clear है बेटा? Now here come B. B is equal to 2B is equal to C is 1 and D is 3 by 2. So 2B is equal to 5 by 2 and B is equal to 5 by 4. Okay. Now put this value, we have calculated the values. Now put these values in the equation. What we will get? A is equal to 1, so nothing to write, NH3, plus B is equal to 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 O2 arrow. C is equal to 1, so simply NO, and D is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 H2O. Clear better? Now we can see the fraction come. So to make it fraction, remove the fraction, we take the LCM of 4 and 2. 4 and 2 LCM is 4. So multiply all the both sides by 4. If I multiply by 4, it will be 4 NH3. Multiply by 4 cancel, 5 O2. Multiply by 4 NO. Okay, and here multiply by 4 2 and 6 H2O. This simple calculation you can do yourself. Now 4N 12H, 6 to the 12H, 10O, 4 plus 6, 10O. Balanced? Is it clear better? Means अगर फ्रैक्शन आ जाए तो फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर का एलसीएम लेके जो एलसीएम होगा उससे बोथ द साइड को मल्टीप्लाई करो तो लीनियर हो जाएगा, फ्रैक्शन निकल जाएगा. तो चलो और थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेशन में जाए. एक बहुत बड़ा एक जंबो इक्वेशन ले लेते, बराबर, और उसका देखते उसका बैलेंस कैसे हो रहा है. सिंपल, एवरी केस यू मेक द इक्वेशन, सॉल्व द variable. Now we take one big equation like KMnO4 plus HCl gives MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus KCl प्लस H2O. चलो बहुत बड़ा इक्वेशन ले लिया है. अब देखते हैं कि इसका कैसे सॉल्व हो रहा है. कोई बात नहीं, मैं क्या बोला, एनी केमिकल इक्वेशन चाहे कितना भी बड़ा झंझट वाला इक्वेशन हो. तो स्टार्ट विथ A, B, C, D, E, F. No problem. You take any letter may come. Now we start making the equation. K, Mn, O, H, Cl. This many are elements are here. So K, one element K, another element Mn, another element O, H, Cl. So here are total, it will be 5 equations, and variable is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 variables, 5 equations. K, make the equation for K. A is equal to E. First K equation is A is equal to E. Clear beta, following? I hope you are following. A is K here, K here. K is A, K is E. So K equation is over. A is equal to E. Now come Mn. Mn A here, Mn C here. Okay? So A is equal to C. Mn A here, Mn C here. Now come to O. O here, 4O. 4O, and here F, only F. That means 4A is equal to F. Not O, 4A. 4O, 4 into A, 4A, and here only one place F. So 4A is equal to F. Now come for H. H, BH, and here 2F. So B is equal to 2F. H is only B, and here H is 2F. Now comes Cl. Cl is a little complicated, so look to Cl very carefully. Look at the Cl very carefully. Take the account of Cl very carefully. Left side is only B, but the right side 2C, right side 2C plus 2D plus 2D plus E. Clear beta? 2C plus 2D plus E. Clear? So this is the equation of K, equation of Mn, equation of O, equation of H, equation of Cl. Now again take A is equal to 1. A का value मिल गया. So E also it will be also equal to 1. C also equal to will be 1. Okay. Now A is 1. So F will be 4. If you put the value 1 here. And if A is equal to F is equal to 4, then B is equal to 4 to the B is equal to 4 to the 8. So B is 8. Now here we have to, unknown is D. Unknown is D. Now D we have to find out. D you have to find out. So B8, put 8 here. C, 2 into C is 1. So 2 into 1 plus 2D, and E is 1. So 3, 2 plus 1, 3. Now 5 is equal to 2d. That means d is equal to 5 upon 2. D is equal to 5 upon 2. So here d has come fraction. So if you want to write the equation, if you want to write the balance equation after putting this value, k a1, so only kmn04 plus b is 8 plus 8 HCl or arrow, C is equal to 1, so it is MnCl2. Then D is equal to 5 by 2. D is equal to 5 by 2 Cl2 plus E is equal to 1, so KCl, and plus F is equal to 4 plus 4H2. And as I told earlier, if any fraction comes, then what we have to do? We have to take the LCM and multiply all by that. So here only 2. So you have to multiply the wholes with 2. The whole left hand right side with 2 only. So what will come finally? Finally it will come 2 KCl, 2 KMnO4, 2 KMnO4, 8 plus 2 means 16, 16 HCl gives 2 MnCl2 plus 2 cancel, 5 Cl2 plus 2 KCl plus 8 H2O. Here H2O comes 8 H2O. Now let us balance. Look at the balance now. K2, Mn2, O 4 to the 8, O8, H16, 8 to the 16, Cl16, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 10, 14 plus 2, 16. Balance. Equation is balance. तो देखो बेटा, इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इक्वेशन दिया था, इतना सारे नंबर आया, पर हमें कोई भी हीट एंड ट्रायल तुक्का मारने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ा. हमने श्योर एक ही ट्रायल में श्योर शॉर्ट वैल्यू हमको मिल गया और उसको पुट किया और बैलेंस हो गया. चलो मज़ा आया ना इसमें. चलो और थोड़ा सा और एक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इक्वेशन ले लेते हैं. ओके, तो आई होप यू विल grow your confidence balancing any chemical equation with the help of linear equation of variable, multiple variables. Now take N2H4 plus H2O2, hydrogen peroxide azine, and it gives HNO3 nitric acid and H2O. Okay, let us start with this. It has little complication in solving the equation. That's what I have taken this to discuss with you. A, B, C, D. Now, elements 1, 2, 3. Nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay. Now we have to make equation for nitrogen, for hydrogen, and for oxygen. nitrogen 2A is equal to C. 2A is equal to C. Hydrogen 4A, hydrogen 4A plus hydrogen has two in two places. 4A plus 2B. 4A plus 2B is equal to C plus 2D. इज इट क्लियर बेटा? फोर के एच के लिए मैं फिर से और एक बार बोलूँ, यहाँ फोर देखो एच इधर है तो फोर इंटू ए 4A, एच इधर है 2 इंटू बी 2B, एच इधर है सी, एच इधर है 2D. क्लियर बेटा? नाउ कम फॉर द इक्वेशन ऑफ ओ बी इंटू 2, तो 2B is equal to O 3C plus D. क्लियर बेटा? O also 3C plus D. जब कोई भी एलिमेंट मोर देन वन प्लेसेस में होगा तो उसको केयरफुली कलेक्ट करके ही लिखना है, नहीं तो सब मिस्टेक हो जाएगा. चलो हम फिर से देखें. वेरिएबल 4 इक्वेशन 3. सो यू टेक A is equal to 1. If A is equal to 1 then C is equal to 2. चलो दो आंसर हमें मिल गया. A is equal to 1, C is equal to 2. अब यहाँ सॉल्व करना है. A is equal to 1 तो ये 4 हो गया, 2B नहीं मालूम, C is equal to 2 और ये 2D है. ये इक्वेशन बना. अच्छा, तो इसका हम एक जगह पर ले जाए, 2 को यहाँ लेके आए तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 इज इक्वल टू प्लस 2B इज इक्वल टू 2D. 2 से डिवाइड करो तो 1 प्लस B इज इक्वल टू D. 1 प्लस B इज इक्वल टू D. चलो ये 1 प्लस B इज इक्वल टू D को यूज करेंगे कई जगह पर. चलो यहाँ आ जाए. अभी 2B तो नहीं मालूम तो 2B रख दो. C का वैल्यू 2 है तो 3 इंटू 2 वो तो 6 हो गया प्लस D हो गया. बराबर बेटा? अभी जो D का वैल्यू यहाँ है, यहाँ जो D का वैल्यू है यहाँ पुट करो. ये इक्वेशन सॉल्विंग थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है, थोड़ा सा अलजेब्रिक बुद्धि यहाँ आइडिया लगाना पड़ेगा. अलजेब्रा में आपने सॉल्व करने का इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने का लीनियर इक्वेशन सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड सीखा होगा. यहाँ डी सब्स्टिट्यूट है तो डी का वैल्यू हम सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं तो 2B इज इक्वल टू 6 लिख के डी के जगह क्या लिखेंगे? 1 प्लस B. बराबर बेटा? B इधर लेके आओ तो क्या हो जाएगा? B इज इक्वल टू 6 प्लस 1 7. तो B का वैल्यू मिल गया. B का वैल्यू मिल गया तो यहाँ D का भी वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. तो D क्या हो जाएगा? D विल बी 7 प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 8. तो D also D विल बी 8. D विल बी 8. चलो अब वैल्यू पुट करें, सबका वैल्यू पुट करें इधर. तो सब का वैल्यू पुट करें तो क्या आएगा इधर? A का वैल्यू 1 कुछ नहीं लिखना, N2H4 प्लस B का वैल्यू क्या है? 7, तो 7H2O2 गिव. C का वैल्यू क्या है? 2, तो 2HNO3 प्लस D का वैल्यू क्या है? 8, तो 8H2O. चलो अभी बैलेंस करें, काउंट करें. N2 है, N2 है, H4 है, 4 प्लस 2 6 है, H 7 2 जा 14, 14 प्लस 4 18, 14 प्लस 4 18, 8 2 जा 16, 16 प्लस 2 18, H also 18. Now oxygen 4 2 7 2 जा 14, Now here 8 and 3 to the 6. 8 plus 6, 14. So all the elements are balanced properly. Hope you have enjoyed and you have understood the sure short one trial method of solving the balancing any chemical equation. Hope and practice with the example discussed here, and take any type of chemical equation and try with this method. And if you face any difficulty, write in the comment box. I'll definitely reply you. Thank you, better.